Hi, Sketchlab friends. Are you ready to draw the sweetest ghost in the Pokemon world? Well, let's whip up a spooky Gengar Cupcake topped with drips, tricks, and a whole lot of frosting mischief. Let's get started. So this is going to be the head of Gengar. So you can see I'm curving a line out to the left. And on this side, I'm going to start curving a line out to the right. Now curving line up. So we are going to be using construction lines today, so I'd recommend draw lightly. And then we're going to curve a line out to the right. Curving a line out to the right. And then now this one is going to go out to the left. This little arm. Little zigzag line for the fingers. Same thing on this side. And I'm curving a line down. Okay, let's draw those eyes. So these are diagonal lines. And this is the shape of the eye. Leaving a little highlight inside of the eye. So once again, another diagonal line. And this eye on the left, I'm drawing a little bit smaller because it's further off into the distance. And then same thing with this one, leave a little white highlight. Those eyes, total chaos energy. Look at that, classic Gengar. Okay, so we're going to draw the mouth. He looks like he's ready to vanish into the shadows. Alright, we'll draw those lines in for the teeth. We got some little drips coming down the forehead. And we're going to draw the cherry, or is it a ghost orb? I don't think Gengar would ever tell us. It's like a shark fin up top. This is the cream. This is the basic shape of it. Kind of like a Hershey's Kiss. Now look at this on the right. I'm curving lines to the right. curving these lines down at the bottom. And so these are called cross contour lines. They're curving around the form. It's going to make this look more three-dimensional. Okay, we're going to start working now on the cupcake. You can see how I curved the line out to the right there. Adding those little drips. And these drips are great, they're fun to do, and they create overlapping. It makes your art look more three-dimensional. We're going to have another little layer of frosting dripping down. And now we're off to the cupcake liner. And this is his back that we're adding in. Some kind of curvy line out to the right. All right, so you can see we use the constructivist approach. We're basically built with basic shapes and forms. And now we're going to go ahead and outline. So because we use construction lines, you might want to take a look at my outline if you're not sure if you've erased out all of your construction lines. And then once we have this, we'll clean up your art and then we're ready for color. So I'm using 3 values today. So this is just a regular purple, and then I'm going to have this dark purple here for the shadows. Got some brown, a little bit of a darker brown. For the whipped cream, I use ivory and beige. Ivory is a light yellow. For the cherry, you can see I've got the red, the dark red. For the teeth, I'm going back with the ivory and the beige. And with that light purple, I'm adding in the highlights of the frosting. And so you can see by using just 2 to 3 different values of the same color, look at this cool effect we're getting. We're making it look three-dimensional. And now it's just retouching up those outlines, guys. And there you have it, one Gengar Cupcake ready to spook the dessert table. Well, who's next in our Pokemon dessert series? Let me know down below. And don't forget to like, comment, hit the subscribe before Gengar hypnotizes you. Well, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.